There's a reason this Miracle-Gro isn't meant for outdoor plants. Hey, Tessa here. Although I've purchased this product, I've partnered with the seller and may earn an extra commission. I'm turning this review over to my husband, Ross. He's owned nurseries, used Miracle-Gro for decades, and he's going to explain why this indoor plant food isn't meant for outdoor plants.
Regular commercial fertilizers are too strong to go inside a potted plant. Remember, when you put fertilizers or anything inside of a potted plant, it stays in the pot. It has nowhere else to go. And over time, it concentrates and concentrates. As opposed to an outdoor plant where you fertilize it, it rains, the sprinklers come on, and it drains well into the earth. So it needs stronger nitrogen levels and growth levels than an indoor plant food would. And that's why this is specially formulated to not overwhelm the root system and cause burning on the roots and the leaves. This is my prized Dieffenbachia. I used to own a nursery in Los Angeles, and I sold all sorts of fertilizers, and unanimously, Miracle-Gro gets just great feedback. This particular Dieffenbachia I bought, it was $5 at Home Depot about 5 or 6 years ago, and I've made several of them since then. But there is no question through my experience as a nursery owner and avid gardener myself that Miracle-Gro is the absolute best product if you want fast growth.